Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bharti and I make videos on food, travel, lifestyle, books and anything under the sun. And this is the Thane food video. So ये वीडियो में हम क्या करने वाले हैं कि हम थाने में हैं सबसे पहली बात। तो दूसरी बात, हम थाने में कोई फूड स्पॉट्स हैं जो बहुत फेमस हैं एंड जिनके गूगल रिव्यूज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं। वैसे हम कुछ स्पॉट्स ट्राई करने वाले हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ऑर्डर द फूड इनसाइड आवर कार and we are taking all the precautionary measures, all the sanitization measures, so there's nothing to worry about. So without any further ado, let's get started. So our first beverage is here. I have this hot chocolate with me and I also have a cappuccino with me. So these guys are from this cafe called as Bean Theory Cafe. Honestly, I've been wanting to visit them since a very long time, but अब lockdown आ गया तो मैंने कहा चलो finally let's go there and try it out. So ये है hot chocolate. तो पहले I'm just going to open its wrapper. The hot chocolate is here. पहले तो मैं उसको स्मेल करूँगी because जब हमको ये पार्सल मिला था तब तो काफ़ी मस्त स्मेल कर रहा था and I can see there is a thick layer that has formed on the top. So I'm going to taste it now. इनके hot chocolate के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है. You can read it about hot chocolate का review from Bean Theory Cafe, beantheory.coffee on Google and on Zomato. So here goes hot chocolate. I'll take one more sip. Not bad. It's good. This has a very thicky consistency and chocolate का flavor है and it is not too dark, not too sweet. The quality of chocolate seems nice though. Honestly, it's good. जितना इसका hype था, as per Google reviews and Zomato reviews, it is at par with it. Not way beyond my expectations and not way below my expectations. It is at par. I would rate this 7 on 10. From the same cafe, we have this cappuccino. Firstly, ये cappuccino जब हमारे पास आया उसके बाद ऑलमोस्ट 10 मिनट हो चुके थे तो ये काफ़ी ठंडा हो चुका है. So I hope I'm able to deliver its taste to you guys really well. It's like a normal unsweetened cappuccino. Nothing much fancy about it. The milk seems to be a little watery though. The consistency इसका काफ़ी ठीक है. Like hot chocolate was very thicky. This is not thin, not thicky, but थोड़ा बीच में. I hope you're getting me. Not bad. I would rate this 6 on 10. So we are off to our second place. This is Darjeeling Momos and More. So I have ordered momos from them and I'm waiting for my order. I've heard a lot about their momos. A lot of people have given good reviews for Darjeeling Momos and More. मैंने अपना order place किया है. It should be here with me in another 10 minutes. Whenever you are indoors or outdoors, you really need to take care of your own sanitization, precautionary measures. And finally, our food is here. These are the momos. Okay, I'm very excited to open this up and I am gonna open this up very quick. So Darjeeling Momos and More was recommended to me by my dear friend Mega. A big shout out to her. And our order is here. With the order, I got this red chutney. It's Szechuan, I guess. And this is the mayonnaise. And I have two variety of momos in the vegetarian section. So this is very hot. Just a second. So I've ordered these basic veg steam momos. These look piping hot. And along with that, I have paneer deep fried peri peri momos. सबसे पहले हम ये बेसिक स्टीम वेज मोमोज ट्राई करेंगे. सो दिस इज माय मोमो. काफ़ी गर्म और काफ़ी मोटा सा है ये मोमो. बट द क्वांटिटी लुक्स रियली ह्यूज. And when I open this up, see there I can see lot of cabbage, lot of carrots. तो पहले मैं इसको ना एकदम plain से ट्राई करूँगी. I just want to see कि इसका stuffing का टेस्ट कैसा है. सबसे पहले तो मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग गार्लिक का फ्लेवर आ रहा है. और मोमो सॉफ्ट तो है. कवरिंग इज सॉफ्ट. It's not that hard. So here goes the second bite with this chutney. This is really spicy. इसमें जो dominant flavor है वो मेरे को चिलीज का ही आ रहा है. These are very basic plain veg momos and इसकी stuffing भी देखो थोड़ी थोड़ी बीच से ना break हो रही है. I'm going to take one more bite to be able to describe the flavor of chutney well. ये चटनी में ना मेरे को कोरिएंडर भी दिख रहा है. These are good. A decent deal for wet steam momos. I'm going to take another bite by dipping a huge heap of mayonnaise upon it. Oh, this looks delicious. Reality of food vlogging. You end up making your hands look like this. So next up I have a paneer deep fry peri peri cheese momos. ये मोमोज को देख के मेरे शक्ल पे स्माइल आ गई बिकॉज इनका टेक्सचर दिखने से ही कितना ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी लग रहा है. And then this is loaded with a lot of cheese on top. I can see a few sauces also. So this is the size of the deep fried paneer peri peri cheese momo. And सबसे पहले मैं इसको इंडिविजुअली ट्राई करूँगी कि कैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है. वैसे अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे ना तो इसका जो टेक्सचर है इसका टेक्सचर तो काफ़ी बढ़िया लग रहा है. एंड इट इज स्लाइटली ब्राउन इन कलर. Just tastes really good. अंदर जो स्टफिंग है पनीर का इट्स बेसिक सा पनीर विथ कोरिएंडर एंड प्रोबेबली सम सॉल्ट एंड सम मसालास. इसका जो यूएसपी है इज द वे इन विच दिस इज फ्राइड एंड देयर इज सम ऑरेंज सॉस दैट आई कैन सी दैट इज ब्रिंगिंग अ वेरी नाइस फ्लेवर टू इट. नाउ आई रियलाइज दिस इज द पेरी पेरी सॉस. कब से मैं पेरी 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 बोल रही हूँ और ये सोच रही थी कि मुझे कौन सी सॉस है. इट्स द पेरी पेरी सॉस. I have this burger. This is from Foodworks. This one is the American cheese chicken burger. Even though I'm a vegetarian, I'm not gonna try this out, but this looks so delicious, so yummy. And my friend has ordered this, and this one is huge as if you can see the quantity. wait, just a second. If you can see the quantity of this burger, and also इसके बन में ऊपर तिल है. There are white flax seeds and black colored flax seeds. If you are a non-vegetarian, you love burgers, and you are around Hiranandani area in Thane, then trust me, you will like this. Even though I'm a vegetarian, my friends have tried this out, and they rate this burger 8 on 10. It retails for 200 rupees and it's a huge ass burger. So yeah, that's it for this video. This was Thane Food Vlog Part 1. Thane Food Vlog Part 2, 3 and more will be up on my channel super duper soon. But wait, if you want to see the behind the scene of today's video and what goes behind a shooting of a food vlog, then please come back to this channel same time tomorrow, because कल ये चीज़ का behind the scene का vlog आ रहा है. एंड जब मैंने ये शूट किया था तब डॉटर्स डे था, तो डॉटर्स डे स्पेशल भी कुछ मेरी फैमिली ने किया था, तो वो भी आने वाला है. तो प्लीज टू स्टे ट्यून्ड. I will see you tomorrow with another episode of Diva Log. Till then, take care. Bye. Also, like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.